Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, we're talking about Dogecoin. A lot of people personally message me on Instagram that a Dogecoin crash starts now. What should we do at this time, friends? Buy, sell, or hold Dogecoin, friends. So finally, I decided to make a video for my viewers, for my subscriber, that what is the best time to buy, sell, or hold Dogecoin. As you know, the crash occurs in a Dogecoin. That's why a lot of people will sell Dogecoin at this time, friends. When you know the crash occurs in the previous last some hours, the crash occurs in a Dogecoin, friends. As you can see here on the screen, the last 1 day prices. You can see here negative 11.92% change occur in a Dogecoin. So a lot of people afraid, a lot of people worry about this change and saying our has Dogecoin, friends. So it's really a big mistake of Dogecoin holders, friends. Now in this video, I will show you the best and perfect time of Dogecoin buy, sell, or hold, friends. Before starting this interesting video, friends, if you are new in my channel, so kindly subscribe now. ABS Tech channel for more news and updates, friends. Thank you so much for your subscribe. As you can see here, if you look the current price of Dogecoin, so as you can see here, 0.23515 USD dollar is the current price of Dogecoin. And if you look the change, as I show you, the last 1 hour change is in positive. Last 1 day, as you know, the crash occurs in Dogecoin. That is why the change is in negative, and the last 1 week change is in positive, friends. Now let's see for more details the Dogecoin price charts. What the price change goes in the last 1 hour, friends. As you can see here, friends, now the current price, the last 1 hour price is about positive 7.15% change occur in a Dogecoin, and the price is about 0.242417 USD dollar is the high price of Dogecoin in the period of last 1 hour, friends. Now as you can see here, if you look the graph, so as you can see here, they start moving upward, but they are fast down for a time. As you can see here, same process occur like that. As you can see here, if we look the current situation at this time frame, as you can see here, take a jump, and after a jump, fast down for a little time, and after a fast, take a again jump, same process occur, fast down for a little time, and after a little fast, they again take a jump, friends. So don't worry about this fast. Don't sell it your Dogecoin at this time, friends. Now let's see the more details on the last 1 day price prediction, the crash day of the Dogecoin. As you know, if you don't subscribe my channel, so kindly subscribe my channel, friends. That's very important for all of you. I update you every hour from a new cryptocurrency news, friends. As you can see here, a lot of people confused at this position. As you can see here, the crash tokens and Dogecoin, they fast down. So a lot of people decide that sell has Dogecoin at this time, friends. But no, it's not a solution of fast. You have to be patient in a cryptocurrency market to make a profit, friends. As you can see here, now they again start explosion. Now they again take a jump. So that is why my suggestion for you to please hold Dogecoin with the last of this month. The big explosion, the big jump of the Dogecoin are coming soon. This is just the beginning of Dogecoin, friends. Hold your coin with the last of this month. The big pumps, the big jumps of the Dogecoin are coming soon, friends. If you look, the last 1 day change occur in the Dogecoin is about negative 11.5%, and the high price is about 0.2992 84 USD dollar is the current high price of Dogecoin in the last 1 day, friends. So if you are a holder of Dogecoin, so my suggestion for you to please hold your Dogecoin with the last of this month. And if you want to buy Dogecoin, so I think after some interval of time, it is the best time for all of you to buy a Dogecoin, friends. What's your opinion about Dogecoin? Please share in the comment box, and kindly subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video.